Jay and I are here in Vegas for Dita Von Teese. I got invited to come see her at the Jubilee Theater at the Horseshoe. So we stayed last night at the MGM, had a nice dinner, got here pretty late, about 6 o'clock. But it's been just kind of a chill trip so far. It's going to be really quick, but I'm so excited to see her. We've been to a few burlesque. We've been to a few of her burlesque shows, but never in Vegas. I'm really excited about it. Right now we are going to have breakfast, and then later on I'll film a get ready with me and you'll see my outfit. My outfit is gorgeous. It's from Lady Splendor Clothing, small business, Latina owned, so I'm really excited to be wearing that tonight.
Go to the bar or something.
Okay, so here is us walking into the Horseshoe. They completely remodeled this hotel and it looks beautiful now. I really like the bar. Walking into the room, this was the room that they booked us in. It's really nice, has a couch, pretty big. So this was nice to be able to just go downstairs and watch the show. So to get started, I'm using my Jergens suntan tanning foam because my legs were super pale. They never match my body, so I wanted to give myself a little tan. Starting with my hair, I'm taking this 3/4 inch curling iron and curling about 1 inch sections, starting from the lower portion and then working my way up. I'll be doing a page boy. It has been a while since I've done a page boy, so hopefully, actually not hopefully, because I already know how it turned out. It turned out great. Now, once I'm finished with the lower portion, I section to the side and just curl the sides. Then I move on to the back, working all the way up to the crown. And this will be the last section in the crown that I curl. Here will be my bangs, so I'm curling in the direction that I want my bangs to flow. And this is what you should have. Now I'm taking my Kimchi Puff Puff Pass translucent powder. I'm just mattifying my face. I already had my makeup done, so I didn't have to redo it. For eyeshadow, I'm actually just taking these 4 blushes, mixing them all, and applying that. This has been my new favorite look. It's just so simple. I don't have to worry about doing any specific or spectacular eyeshadow look. I just add the blush, it looks beautiful, and then I top it with some glitter. And that is from my Hip Dot palette. The blush was from a Profusion blush palette, but I think it's discontinued. I'm adding glitter to the lower lash line. I have not styled a page boy in probably over a year, so pray for me. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I'm taking these pins out and then just teasing my hair. This part, I'm just going to roll it in. This is where I'm going to start creating the base of the page boy. And then I'm going to do this second row of curls. The audio ended up pretty messed up in the bathroom, so I'm just going to do a voiceover. But I'm taking these sections down. The first is the lower section, and I'm going to tease this section like crazy. This is going to be the base for our page boy. And then once I'm done with the first lower section, I'm taking the second section and teasing that one as well. And then I'm just going to sort of make a roll or wrap that under and then pin it. So then you should have a base like this. And now I'm taking all the other pin curls down except for the ones that will be my bangs, and I'm just separating with my nails and making them very fluffy, and then I'm teasing at the crown so you just don't have that weird separation at the crown. Now I'm taking these duckbill clips and I'm adding them all around to the point where you get to the teasing. So this is going to help create the page boy. and this is what you should have. So right now it looks crazy, but that top portion should be smooth. And now I'm taking my soft bristle brush and just combing over and under, and then I'm switching to my other teasing brush and just really getting into that top layer, but being very gentle not to brush out that tease. And I'm going to be doing that all around. It may take you a while. I've been doing Page Boys for over 12 years, so I've had a lot of practice, but this is how I work on the back. It's really hard to do it when I can't see, but once I get it smooth in the way I like it, I'm taking my Chi hairspray and applying a ton of hairspray, then setting it with a blow dryer. Please set it with a blow dryer. That is really going to help just make that section solid and stiff so it does not come undone. Now once you get it the way you like, I start working on my bangs, and I'm teasing all of that section. So you should look a little crazy like this. And then we are taking our soft bristle brush again and just gently combing over, smoothing that top layer, adding some hairspray, and using your fingers to really work your hair. And then I'm just placing a duckbill clip right there to keep the volume, and then using my hand once again to help guide the curl and create a barrel for the front. And I know it looks easy. I pretty much make it look easy, but again, I've been doing this a lot, and this is a lot of editing. So now I took out the duckbill clips in the back and they created these indentations, so I'm just combing those out so you don't see them anymore. And voila, that is how your hair should look. Here is a hat that my dear friend Coco Creations made for me. It is absolutely stunning. She has it on her website. And then I'm pairing with these beautiful silver and black earrings, and I'm just all blinged out. Next, I have this beautiful dress from Lady Splendor Clothing. This is a Latina-owned business. She has the most incredible gowns, dresses, just absolutely stunning and extremely high quality. I'm pairing with my vintage hat. You already saw my earrings. I'm using my MFK Oud Satin Mood perfume, and also my grandmother's black bracelet. Look how beautiful that is. It just pairs so perfectly. And here is a closer look at my purse. Here is the Lady Splendor Clothing. This is really thick. There's so much stretch as well. It just really cinches you in. I am in love with it. I'm wearing my Remix vintage heels, and I did end up putting on some vintage gloves that my dear friend Kevin gave to me. They were his grandmother's, and this is the final look. I am just obsessed. Sorry I didn't get a closer look of my heels, but they are the Hollywood slides. And now I am just strutting my stuff down the hall. And then I got nervous because someone walked in. So here is the beautiful Dita Las Vegas at the Jubilee Theater. It looks incredible. Just look at the animation. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. The show was incredible. Like, absolutely stunning. And there is Jay looking so dapper and handsome. And here is me looking all alone and lonely and uncomfortable. But I'm trying to look cute. show was incredible. We're back
really
in the room.
Amazing.
Yeah, we got to see Dirty Martini and just
really
all
good.
the other performers. It looked so fantastic.
All
you
of
guys,
them.
if you come to Vegas, you have to come to the Jubilee Theater to see Dita Von Teese perform. It is worth it. You cannot come to Vegas and not see it.
It's like the theater is great. The whole setup is great. Like the use of stage is amazing.
Yes.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, that's what I love. There was
awesome.
There were things going on, like to the right, even up in the ceiling.
Top,
it looked so
it was really good.
neat. I absolutely loved it. There was always something to look at. And of course, Dita and her outfits, like the costumes are so magnificent. All the rhinestones, the bling. There's always something that catches your eye. And there wasn't a single time where they weren't doing anything.
It was boring. Everything just like lit up. It was good. It was really
so
good.
Fantastic. Thank you, Dita and her team, for having me out. I couldn't have had like an even greater
You guys need to have another show in Orange County.
Well, at least you can't film and record it in there, which is why we didn't, but they allowed us to at least film that last little snippet so you guys could see just the glitz and the glam and really just so fantastic. All the performers, bravo, Dita, you are incredible. Amazing. The best, the queen of burlesque. Yes. But yes, I hope you all enjoyed this video and we will see you soon. Bye.